Kejadian 13, Genesis 30. Maka pergilah Abram dari Mesir ke tanah Negeb dengan istrinya dan segala kepunyaannya, dan Lot pun bersama-sama dengan dia. And Abram went up out of Egypt, he and his wife and all that he had, and Lot with him, into the south. Adapun Abram sangat kaya, banyak ternak, perak, dan emasnya. And Abram was very rich in cattle, in silver, and in gold. Ia berjalan dari tempat persinggahan ke tempat persinggahan, dari tanah Negeb sampai dekat Betel, di mana kemahnya mula-mula berdiri, antara Betel dan Ai. And he went on his journeys from the south, even the Betel, unto the place where his tents had been at the beginning between Betel and Hai, ke tempat mezbah yang dibuatnya dahulu di sana. Disitulah Abram memanggil nama Tuhan. Unto the place of the altar which he had made there at Novus, and there Abram called on the name of the Lord. Juga Lot yang ikut bersama-sama dengan Abraham mempunyai domba dan lembu dan kemah. And Lot also which went with Abram had flocks and herds and tents. Tetapi negeri itu tidak cukup luas bagi mereka untuk diam bersama-sama, sebab harta milik mereka amat banyak, sehingga mereka tidak dapat diam bersama-sama. And the land was not able to bear them, that they might dwell together, for their substance was great, so that they could not dwell together. Karena itu terjadilah perkelahian antara para gembala Abraham dan para gembala Lot. Waktu itu orang Kanaan dan orang Fez diam di negeri itu. And there was a strife between the herdmen of Abraham cattle and the herdmen of Lot's cattle, and the Canaanites and the Periz dwell then in the land. Maka berkatalah Abraham kepada Lot, janganlah kiranya ada perkelahian antara aku dan engkau, dan antara para gembalaku dan para gembalamu, sebab kita ini kerabat. And Abram said unto Lot, let there be no strife, I pray thee, between me and thee, and between my herdmen and thy herdmen, for brethren. Bukankah seluruh negeri ini terbuka untukmu? Baiklah, pisahkan dirimu daripadaku. Jika engkau ke kiri, maka aku ke kanan. Jika engkau ke kanan, maka aku ke kiri. Is not the whole land before thee? Spare thyself, I pray thee, for me. If thou wilt take the left hand, then I will go to the right, or if thou depart to the right hand, and then I will go to the left. Lalu Lot melayangkan pandangnya, dan dilihatnyalah bahwa seluruh lembah Yordan banyak airnya, seperti taman Tuhan, seperti tanah Mesir, sampai ke Zoar. Hal itu terjadi sebelum Tuhan memusnahkan Sodom dan Gomora. And Lot left up his eyes, and behold all the plain of Jordan, that it was well watered everywhere, before the Lord destroyed Sodom and Gomorrah, even as the garden of the Lord, like the land and of Egypt, as thou comest unto Zoar. Sebab itu Lot memilih baginya seluruh lembah Yordan itu, lalu ia berangkat ke sebelah timur, dan mereka berpisah. Then Lot caused him all the plain of Jordan, and Lot journeyed east, and they spared themselves the one from the other. Abraham menetap di tanah Kanaan, tetapi Lot menetap di kota-kota lembah Yordan dan berkemah di dekat Sodom. Abraham dwelt in the land of Canaan, and Lot dwelt in the cities of the plain, and pitched his tent toward Sodom. Adapun orang Sodom sangat jahat dan berdosa terhadap Tuhan. But the men of Sodom were weak and sinned before the Lord exceedingly. Setelah Lot berpisah daripada Abram, berfirmanlah Tuhan kepada Abram, pandanglah sekelilingmu dan lihatlah dari tempat engkau berdiri itu ke timur dan barat, utara dan selatan. And the Lord said unto Abraham, after the Lot was departed from him, lift up now thine eyes and look from the place where thou art northward, and southward, and eastward, and westward. Sebab seluruh negeri yang kau lihat itu akan kuberikan kepadamu dan keturunanmu untuk selama-lamanya. For all the land which thou sittest, to thee will I give it, and thou the seeds forever. Dan aku akan menjadikan keturunanmu seperti debu tanah banyaknya, sehingga jika seandainya ada yang dapat menghitung debu tanah keturunanmu pun akan dapat dihitung juga. And I will make thy seeds as the dust of the earth, so that if a man can number the dust of the earth, then shall thy seeds also be numbered. Bersiaplah, jalanilah negeri itu menurut panjang dan lebarnya, sebab kepadamulah akan kuberikan negeri itu. Earth walk through the land in the length of it, and in the breadth of it. For I will give it unto thee. Sesudah itu, Abram memindahkan kemahnya dan menetap di dekat pohon-pohon tarbantin di Mamre, dekat Hebron. Lalu didirikannya lah mezbah di situ bagi Tuhan. Then Abram removed his tent and come and dwelt in the plains of Mamre, which is in Hebron, and built there an altar unto the Lord,